Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's slimmer series editions have got a massive boost in autonomy and in other hardware components. According to the latest available data, the most futuristic thinnest flagships, the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Pro's launch date, new battery capacities, and top new upgrades leaked. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. This year, Samsung has already launched its thinnest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Edge. While the Galaxy S25 Edge was praised for its thin and light body, people complained about its shorter battery life. Most wanted the company to do better next year with the phone's successor. And it will indeed do better, as a new leak reveals the battery capacities of the Galaxy S26 Edge and the Galaxy S26 Pro. According to a latest report from a very reliable source, GalaxyClub, the Galaxy S26 Pro is powered by a 4300 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S26 Edge will be powered by a 4200 mAh battery. Both these phones are expected to be launched in January 2026 alongside the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which has a 5000 mAh battery and 60 watts fast charging speed. Newly published reports indicated that the Galaxy S26 Pro will replace this year's Galaxy S25, while the Galaxy S26 Edge will replace the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Edge. So, compared to the base Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S26 Pro has a 300 mAh battery. The Galaxy S26 Edge has a 300 mAh higher capacity than the 3900 mAh battery used in the Galaxy S25 Edge. However, its battery is smaller compared to the 4900 mAh battery that powers this year's Galaxy S25 Plus. The new upcoming Galaxy Edge phone's battery is smaller than what was recently leaked. It isn't clear if these new phones will have faster wired charging, but they could have better cameras than their predecessors. Samsung also confirmed earlier today that it is planning to equip at least some models in the Galaxy S26 series with its first 2-in-1 smartphone chipset, Samsung's own, the Exynos 2600. We already confirmed yesterday that the future elite flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, uses Qualcomm's most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip. With the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is expected to retain a similar design language, as it just switched to a flat-sided design this year. It can also pack a 6.9-inch AMOLED display. It can offer a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Rumors suggest that we might get to see an under-display selfie camera on the Galaxy S26 Ultra this time. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 series will launch early next year, and this new series will get a major price hike. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.